In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install this nice accent bar light for the side of your home, garage, whichever. So stay tuned. So measuring from the bottom to where I want it, it's about 118. We got 12-inch center. So yeah, this came in the mail today, and it is 63 inches bar light. Again, I chose this length, 63, because I think it was appropriate for the height of the house. If it was anything smaller, it wouldn't look right. So again, they come in different sizes. But again, if you're interested on the same one that I got, I'll leave the link on the description down below, and check out the QR code right here if you're interested on the same bar light. There we go. It's a simple, modern bar light. Backside, let's flip it over. You got two bar lights right there. Matte or satin finish to it. So this is 3000K. It's fixed, but it is dimmable. 3000 is perfectly good. It's nice and subtle, and it has that nice warm touch to it. Got the wires here. Feeding down. I'm gonna be using my 4-inch hole saw. If you guys are interested on the same hole saw I'm using, I'll leave the link on the description. Got my brand new wire here, my 14-2. So I got here is my old work electrical box. It's perfect for these type of situations. Just pull it right through. Just want to let you know, once you get this old work J box in, it's very hard to take it out. So make sure you do this once. Manually tighten this right there, nice and secured. We got our wires here. We'll cut it to length, cut from there, leaving about 6 to 8 inches of the conductor. Okay, so that's from NEC 300.14. I'm gonna take my provided cover plate right here, make sure it's nice and plumb. Now I use a magnetic level. It works really handy like that. Take one of the grounds, twist that with that, make a J hook. I want to show you what it looks like on a dark area. Sorry if it's grainy right now, but let me turn it on for you and show you what it looks like. And there you go. One is 3000K. Look it up. Look at that beam. That looks really good. We put it next to a wall right there. You can see that it will definitely light up a wall, give it a good accent. This is going to go right on the side of my home, so it's going to be a good accent lighting. But yeah, the bar stretches out from here to here. Again, this is 63 inches long. You can get ones shorter. 50,000 hours run time. That's a lot of hours, okay friends? Now it's all a matter of just connecting everything, the white to white, black to black, and the ground. Okay, once that's done, we can just tuck these in just like this. Pretty much it. Obviously, this is not going to be my final. Once I put the real final siding on, I'm going to take it off and then put it back on to fit it. I'm just test fitting it for now. But yeah, once I put the siding, then I'll put this over. I just want to show you guys how easily you can do this. And then when you're done, make sure you put nice caulking all the way around, and you should be good to go. Just dropped all my tools. Hope none of them's broken. There you guys go. I mean, look how nice that is. Once the siding's on, I'm gonna reinstall it. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Again, if you guys are interested on the same bar light, I'll leave it on the description down below or in the QR code right here for the same exact one or a different size, if whatever you need.